In today's video, I will walk you through how to translate messages in Telegram. Telegram actually has a built-in translation feature that makes chatting with people across the globe super seamless. Let's talk about how to turn it on and use it in just a few seconds. First, open up Telegram Desktop on your computer. Head down to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines to open your main menu, then select Settings. From the Settings window, scroll down a bit and look for the Language section. Here, you'll see a checkbox or toggle that says Show Translate button. Go ahead and check that box. You can also specify which language you naturally speak, so Telegram knows what not to translate. Now that it's turned on, let's see how it works in action. Go into any chat where someone has sent a message in a foreign language. Instead of opening a separate tab, just right-click on that specific message bubble. Right there in the drop-down menu, you'll see a brand new Translate option. Click it, and a clean translation box will immediately appear right beneath the original text. It completely cuts out the middleman and keeps your workflow smooth without making you jump between apps. Keep in mind that automatic translations aren't always perfect. Slang, jokes, abbreviations, and expressions can sometimes be translated differently from their original meaning. So if a message is particularly important, it's a good idea to double-check the translation. If this desktop tip saved you some time, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.